Welcome. Today, let's walk through the latest way to react to messages in a chat on X, formerly known as Twitter, using your PC. With the new update, expressing yourself in direct messages has never been easier or more interactive. Here's how you can react to any message in just a few simple steps. First, open your browser and head to the X website. Make sure you're logged into your account. Once you're in, look to the left side of the screen and click on the envelope icon labeled Messages. This will take you straight to your direct messages, where all your conversations are neatly organized. Next, select the chat where you want to react to a message. Scroll through the conversation and find the specific message you want to respond to with a reaction. Now, here's where the new update comes in handy. Move your mouse and hover over the message. As you do this, you'll notice a set of reaction emojis appear right below or beside the message. This is your gateway to quick and expressive communication. To see even more options, look for the 3 dots icon next to the reactions. Click on these dots, and a menu will pop up with additional emoji reactions you can choose from. Take a moment to pick the emoji that best fits your response, whether it's a thumbs up, a laugh, or something else that captures your mood. Once you've made your choice, simply click on the emoji, and your reaction will instantly appear alongside the message. The person you're chatting with will see your reaction right away, making your conversations more lively and engaging. That's all there is to it. With these new features on X, reacting to messages is quick, fun, and helps you connect with friends in a more personal way. Try it out the next time you're on your PC, and see how much easier it is to share your thoughts and feelings with just a click. Thanks for tuning in, and enjoy exploring the new update on X.